If you have this amazing question, so for x, you know that x plus 1 is equal to x. Let's solve it. And the normal thing we are going to do is what? X plus 1. You subtract 1 here. You subtract x here is equal to what? X minus x. Hence, at the end, we are going to be having what? 1 is equal to 0. And actually, this is not correct. What if we plot this on the line? We plot this on the number line, you are going to have what? The graph of x will be a straight line crossing at this entry. And the graph of x plus 1 will be what? A graph here. Here is x plus 1. And here is x. Meaning there will not be a point of intersection between the two. Well, now if we introduce a modulus symbol to solve for this question. Okay, the modulus of x is equal to what? You dive onto what? X, if x is what? Greater than 0, and minus x, if x is what? Less than 0. And for x plus 1, the modulus will be what? Will be equal to what? X plus 1 if what? X is greater than 0, and x plus 1 that is negative of this if x is less than 0. Okay, and hence if you plot this on the graph, if you draw the inequality table of this, is what? For modulus of x, or modulus of x plus 1, in case if x is greater than 0, we are going to be having what here? X, and here we are going to have x plus 1. Now, if your x is between negative 1, less than or equals to x, which is less than 0, we are going to be having what? Minus x here, and we are going to have what? X plus 1 here. On the other side, if x is less than negative 1, we are going to be having what here? Minus x, and on this other side of x plus 1. That's what you're going to be having. And you're going to solve for x in this different variety of quotient. Okay, for the first one, in case x is greater than 0, you're going to be having what? X is equals to what? X plus 1. And this will turn to 0 is equals to 1. That is impossible. In the second case, if in this case x negative 1 less than or equals to x, which is less than 0, you're going to be having what? Minus x is equals to what? X plus 1. And you're going to have what? Minus 2x is equals to 1. Therefore, x is equals to minus half. Which is here. In the third case, where x is less than negative 1, having what? Minus x is equals to what? Minus x plus 1. This and this will cancel, and therefore x 0 is equals to 1. That is impossible. Hence, the only case where this is true is in the case where x is in between negative 1 and 0. And you have the answer as x is equals to half.